Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on special binomial products. In this video we'll look at special binomial products involving surds. So we have three examples here. Expand each of the following and collect like terms where possible. So for example 1, we have the square root of 3 plus 2 all squared. Now we know from previous videos that when we square something, we multiply it by itself. So in this particular case we have the square root of 3 outside of the square root of 3 plus 2, that's that part there, plus 2 outside of the square root of 3 plus 2, which is that part there. So now we remove the grouping symbols for each of those parts. So the square root of 3 by the square root of 3 is 3. The square root of 3 times 2 is 2 the square root of 3. 2 times the square root of 3 is 2 root 3, and 2 2's are 4. So if we collect like terms, we have 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So that is the answer. For number 2, 5 minus 3 the square root of 2 all squared. In a similar manner, when we square something, we multiply it by itself, and that's what we've done up here. So that's how I've expanded each of those two there like that. So we have 5 outside of 5 minus 3 the square root of 2, that's that part, minus 3 the square root of 2 outside of 5 minus 3 the square root of 2, which is that part. Now we remove the grouping symbols. 5 5's are 25. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15 root 2. Minus 3 root 2 times 5 is minus 15 root 2. And minus 3 root 2 times minus 3 root 2. Well, that'll be minus 3 by minus 3 is 9. When we square those two we get 2, so 9 2's are 18. Now we collect like terms, so 25 plus 18 is 43. Minus 15 root 2 minus 15 root 2 is minus 30 root 2. And finally, the square root of 7 plus the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 7 minus the square root of 3. We remember from previous videos that this is the product of a sum and difference. Okay, so basically the answer here is the square root of 7 squared minus the square root of 3 squared. If you don't see that, just expand that the normal way as we've done here. But that's actually the short way of doing it. So the square root of 7 all squared is 7. The square root of 3 all squared is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So that's the answer. So this video has given us 3 examples involving special removal of grouping symbols, so they're special products. We've seen 3 examples and we've actually seen how to use them.